Okay guys, today we are going to derive third equation of motion. Now if you consider second equation of motion, then second equation of motion could give information about distance, initial velocity, acceleration and time. It is not giving any information with respect to this Vf. Then in first equation of motion we don't have any information about this S. So in third equation of motion we are actually deriving relationship between S and Vf without this T, because this T is common factor in first and second equation. So for third equation of motion, again we have to consider area of graph, area of whole graph in fact. So area of graph will actually give us distance. So area of graph, which is giving us distance, equals to area of parallelogram whole parallelogram OACEO. So OACE and O. We are actually considering whole area. We are not dividing this area into two areas as in second equation. We have to consider whole area OACE and O, which are OACE and O. Okay, now how you are going to do this? That we in area of parallelogram formula will be that we have to add both parallel sides. We have this parallel side OE plus this parallel side, which is AC, divided by 2 and multiply it by base, which is OA. Okay. So S will be equals to OE. From O to E we have this distance VI plus AC, A to C is this VF along Y axis, VF plus VF by 2 multiply by this OA, which is actually giving us this T. So T, 2 is dividing here, we will write it down on left hand side. It will multiply by S. So 2S equals to VI plus VF into T. As we have already explained that we are going to finish this T factor from third equation. So what we are going to do is we are going to consider again slope, and as you know that there is no slope for E to B, so again we are going to consider slope from E to C. So slope, this will give us acceleration, equals to, as in our first equation, will be Vf minus Vi by T. Okay, so A equals to Vf minus Vi divided by T. T is dividing here, it will go here, and we will get AT is equal to Vf minus Vi. A is multiplying here, so it will go here, divide, we will get T is equal to Vf minus Vi by A. So what we have done is we have calculated value of T so that we could eliminate this T factor from this equation. So pressing it. So putting the factor of T in this equation, what we will get is 2S equals to Vi plus Vf into this Vf minus Vi divided by A, because we are putting this T factor here. Acceleration is dividing here, it will go here, and we will get 2as equals to Vi plus Vf into Vf minus Vi. We could rearrange this as 2as equals to Vf plus Vi into Vf minus Vi. Now apply formula on this, because in maths it will get a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So we will get is 2as equals to Vf square minus Vi square, because here Vf is dealing as a, Vi as b, again Vf here is a and Vi is b. So we will get this third equation of motion. Thank you.